I think recording the progress. I have the sound off, that's why. Okay, good. All right. Say, for example, your current percentage, and this could help you for your other classes, by the way. Let's say your current percentage is like 91.5%. Okay. So 91.5% is current percentage. The final exam, does anyone know what the final exam's worth? Good. Final exam, 20% of your final grade, right? Of your overall grade. Sorry, my handwriting sucks here. Also, my computer's acting slow. All right. So how much of your grade has been determined then up to this point? If the final exam's the last thing left, 80, right? So here's what you do. Think about this. You do 80 times 0.915. Why am I doing 0.915? Because I'm converting, or you can do 0.8 times 91.5, same thing. I'll use my phone here. Give me a sec.
71.
Is that correct? I think you're right. 73.2. Okay. Now, what this means is that of a scale from 0 to 100, you're at a 73.2%. So technically speaking, if you didn't show up to the final, now if we gave you zeros, we don't give zeros at the school anymore. Now, remember we used to do that a long time ago. We don't do that. Well, actually, no, you don't remember because we've had this 50% rule for some time now. But at the very least, the person would finish with a C in the class, right? Like, hey, I don't want to do the final. I'm good. I'm cool with a C. I'm not going to show up. Then that would happen. But seniors try to do that. Yeah, unfortunately. Yeah, I know. It's just really stupid. Seniors will just like to say, well, I already got in my college. Doesn't matter if I get a C. And they just totally pack it in on the final. We actually had that happen yesterday. There was a student who got a 10% on the final exam, just did one problem and then doodled on the rest of it and just did the rest of it. So it's just, I don't know who it was. It's not one of them. It's just a teacher showed it to me, but actually it was his brother. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. No, actually, I hope not. But no, actually he wouldn't be because he's in calculus. So
do your second semester grades like not matter to you or something?
it don't fail, but you'll still go to college.
If you get less than a C,
Let's wait.
they might.
No. We've actually kicked people out for acting at dishonesty right before graduation, and they still went to their college. Okay, like we've had people leave the school for like major behavior infractions, like that almost brought criminal charges, and they still went to their college. So don't worry, you guys will be fine.
Wait, but like, what do you mean criminal charges?
No, I can't get into details about that. I'm recording. Maybe when I'm not recording. Okay. Okay. Anyway, yes, but that's happened. So now here's the deal. So you want A, right? Now, what's the cutoff for an A? You guys know the cutoff for an A?
Red. Did you say red? What's the color?
No, the cutoff.
Oh,
I talk fast. No, sorry.
93.
93, but I'll do 92.5. Okay. Say round up. So 92.5% cutoff. So here's how you calculate it. You do, I'll switch to a different color. We'll go green. So you do sorry, my bad. You do 92.5 minus 73.2 divided by 20. And that will get you the percentage you need on the final exam to get to an A. So it's a very simple formula. Just take your current percentage, multiply by 80. So you just look this up, or if you can't look up, ask your teacher, hey, what's my percentage? Multiply by 80 because 80% has been determined. Now, of course, the final is worth less to make it 85, or depending what the final is worth. You know, that's what's like finals were 15% and 85% of grades will determine and so forth, right? Take the grade that you want, which is 92.5 minus 73.2 divided by 20. So if I work that out on my phone, let's see here, 92.5 minus 73.2 divided by 20, it comes out to 96.5%. So what this means is that if you want to get an A in the class, meet the cutoff, you need 96.5% on the final exam. So it gives you a good idea of how much work you need to put into, or work, but what you need to achieve, right? Let's say you're cool with an A minus, right? You know what? At the very least, I want to keep my A minus, right? So you make the A 9.5. That would be the cutoff. Assuming your teacher rounds up too. If your teacher doesn't round up, then you got to do 90 or 93. So you got to be mindful about that too, and ask your teachers if they round up. Not everyone does this. It's usually at the discretion of the teacher, right? Or the partner or whatever. So in this case, if you want to keep your A minus, I just calculate this, A 9.5. So I figure, that proverb, you can give someone a fish or you could teach them the fish and they could eat for a lifetime, right? It's kind of the same thing. I'm just teaching you guys how to be self-sufficient, do this on your own. This would be 81.5%. So you need a B minus on the final to keep your A minus. So this way, it just gives you a general idea of what you need to do to achieve certain grades. So I wanted to talk about that. That was all that. Now let's talk about the final exam. Actually, let me make this 2 separate videos. So